You're not early, you're not wrong, you're just late. And these 3 mistakes are why you keep entering. Right before the move ends. You've studied the strategy. You wait for confirmation. You follow the rules. But the result? You enter, price moves a little. Then reverses. Again. And again. It feels like the market is one step ahead of you. That's because it is. And it's not random. It's how most traders are taught to enter. Let's break the 3 mistakes that are making you late every single time. Mistake 1. Waiting for perfect confirmation. You wait for the breakout. The candle closes strong. Structure is clean. Now it feels safe to enter. That's the trap. Because confirmation doesn't happen at the start of the move. It happens after momentum is already spent. By the time everything looks perfect, early positions are already in profit. And some are already closing. So when you enter, you're stepping into the exit phase. Mistake 2. Entering at obvious levels. Support, resistance, trend line, breakout zone. Everyone sees the same levels, and that's exactly why price reacts there. Not because it's respecting the level, but because that's where orders are sitting. Stop losses, breakout entries, liquidity. Price moves into that zone to fill orders. Then it leaves. So when you enter at that clean level, you're often the liquidity. Mistake 3. Chasing momentum instead of reading it. You see strong candles, fast movement. It feels like you're missing out. So you jump in. But momentum isn't just direction, it's timing. Strong movement late in a move isn't strength, it's exhaustion. The faster price moves into a level, the higher the chance it slows down after. So when you chase that speed, you're entering at peak pressure. And that pressure doesn't last. Here's the part most traders never realize. Your strategy might not be the problem. Your timing is, because the market moves in phases. Accumulation, expansion, distribution. Most traders enter during expansion, but not the beginning of it. The end, right before distribution starts. That's why everything looks right and still fails. You're not trading the move, you're trading the aftermath. So here's what to fix. Stop waiting for perfect setups. Start paying attention to where the move began. Stop trusting obvious levels blindly. Start asking who's placing orders there. Stop chasing fast moves. Start questioning if they're already stretched. Because right now, being early isn't about guessing. It's about seeing what others wait too long to act on. If this sounds like you, comment late entry. I want to see how many of you are dealing with this. Next video, I'll break down how to actually time your entries without chasing and without guessing. Subscribe if you want the real side of Forex.